Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check Obsidian versus Notion. What should I use? So let's start. Obsidian and Notion are both note-taking applications that allow users to publish notes online. Obsidian is available offline. However, Notion is cloud-hosted. So what should I use? Well, in my case, I love Notion. Because if you are new to knowledge management, Notion might be better because it has built-in features. As you can see here, I have my account here, and I have travel planner, meal planner, and I love how this was made, as you can see here. Okay, so in my case, for that reason, it's easy to use, and I prefer Notion. It gives you the draft of how it looks in every kind of planner that you want. Then we have Obsidian. If you want to customize Obsidian, you might need to add plugins to access feature. But if you want to maintain access to your notes even when you're offline, Obsidian offline mode might be a good option, because you only have to download and use on your computer. If you don't have internet, you can use it. Or also, if you have the app, you can use Obsidian without any problem. But it's a little bit difficult to use. In my case, I taste Obsidian in the app, and yeah, it's similar to Notion, but I prefer, to be honest, Notion. So it depends what are your needs. If you want to just Obsidian because for you it's better because you don't use a lot of internet, and because you're traveling and you don't have access to internet, while Obsidian probably it's better for you. If you don't have problem with any feature here, well, it's better for you. But if you prefer Notion because it's better for you with emojis and it blends better your life, I think it's better Notion. And yeah, you need online access here, because if you don't have access for internet, maybe you can use Notion. So it depends on you what you want to use, but for me it's better Notion. I think it's easy to use, the features, we have many things to do it here, but well, it's your last option here if you want to use Obsidian or if you want to use Notion. So whatever you decide, please write on the comments. That's my only opinion about these two. So I want to know what is better for you. So if this is better for you, Notion or Obsidian. So guys, I hope this information helps you to decide what kind of program you want to use. If this video helps you, don't forget to give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel.